how to turn on sync contacts on your Microsoft Outlook. Hello everyone, wherever you are. In today's video I will show you how to do this. Just watch me till the end. So first guys, you have to go directly to your Outlook, and after this, when it's opening, as you know, it will open directly on your home page. Now go to this profile icon right here and go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, settings. Here on settings right now, what you should do, you have to click on your account. Wait, settings here, and you will find this is your account, for example. Click on it and you will find sync contacts and turn on it like this, and that's it. Click allow, and that's it guys. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.